Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir, English High School, CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 5, Lesson 6, Decimals. Students, so let's continue. Worksheet of lesson number 6. The cost of one train ticket is rupees 1493.00. Find the cost of 15 tickets. So easy a sum. One train ticket, so one to many we have to find. So what do? Multiply. So very easy, we write the first statement. One ticket is rupees 1493.00 and what is the number of tickets? Number of tickets is 15. So one too many, what do we have to do? We have to multiply and get the answer. Okay, so that will be the total cost. So 15 zeros are 0, 15 zeros are 0, decimal point. 15 threes are 45, 5, and I will carry 4. 15 into, you can do it by doing by one number or directly. 9 5s are 45, 9 1s are 9, so 135 plus 4, 139. So I bring the 9 down, I carry 13. 15 4s are 60 plus 13 is 73, so I get 7. 15 1s are 15 plus 7 is 22. So my cost is 22,395 rupees. Answer: cost of 15 tickets is rupees 22,395. Okay. A tank has 908.64 liters of water. This has to be poured in buckets of capacity. Capacity means how much water a bucket can hold is 50.48 liters of water. Find the number of buckets required. So means the tank amount liters of water we are distributing in the buckets and we have to find the number of buckets. So when we are distributing, what are we supposed to do? Yes, we are dividing. So water in the tank is 908.64 liters. Then capacity, C statements are compulsory. Capacity of the bucket is 50.48 liters. Now to find the number of buckets, what do? We divide 908.64 divided by 50.48. Now when both division numbers, decimal numbers are there, we have to remove the point and then divide. So now 90864 divided by 5048. Now I cannot do by 1 2 3 4, so I will take 1s are 5048 and subtract. I will borrow 16 minus 8 8, 7 minus 4 3, 0 minus 0 and 9 minus 5 4, and I will bring the 4 down. Now in my rough work column I will try to find. Now 5 and this is 4, so I can do it by 9 or by 8. 8 8s are 64, 8 4s are 32 plus 3 8 0s 0, 3 8 5s are 40. Okay, I got it fast. So 8s are 40384. So now how many buckets are needed? 18. So my answer is 18 buckets are required. Easy? Okay, very good. Okay, now see the sum, a big sum, confusing by looking at it, but easy. The weight of a suitcase is 2/3 of the weight of the trunk and the weight of the bag is 1/10 of the total weight of the suitcase. If the weight of the trunk is 21.60 kg, what is the weight of the suitcase and the bag? So we see the first step. The weight of the suitcase is 2/3 of the trunk. So suitcase is equal to 2/3 of the trunk, and they have given the weight of the trunk. So I can find the weight of the suitcase. 2/3 of the trunk. Trunk is 21.60. So can I find out? Yes. So 3 I can cut it or I can leave it like that. 3 I can cut. 3 7s are 21 or divide. Put the decimal point. 3 2s are 6 and a 0. Okay, if I divide and then I will multiply 2 into 720, 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4 and 7 twos are 14, and I put my decimal point. See, I will show it to you. 21.60 divided by 3, 3 sevens are 21, decimal point and 6, so decimal point on top 6, 3 twos are 6 and the 0 is there, so 720. I got 720. Now 720 into 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, decimal point and 7 twos are 14. So now this is the weight of my suitcase. Now second part is the weight of the bag is 1/10 of the suitcase. So now bag is equal to 1/10 of the suitcase. Now we have already found the weight of the bag of the suitcase. It is 14.40. Now what do I do? Yes, 14.40 I will divide by 10. 10 ones are 10. I get a 4 remainder. Decimal point, bring the 4 down. 10 fours are 40. 4 0. 10 fours are 40. So my weight of the bag is 144 kg. Okay. So now what is the question? What is the weight of the suitcase and the bag? So I have to find the total weight. So suitcase is 14.4 kg, 40 kg, and weight of the bag is 1.44 kg. So my total weight of both will be, I will add 4851. So answer is total weight of the suitcase and bag is 15.84 kg. So I do step by step, find the weight of the suitcase, then the weight of the bag, and then I do the total. Easy sum. Pramod needs 1.30 meters of cloth for a shirt and 2.75 for a pant. His uncle gifted him a piece of cloth, but the cloth fell short, means it was small, by 0.85 meters. What was the length the cloth gifted by uncle? So first we will find out how much he needs. Pramod needs, how much does Pramod needs? 130 meters for shirt and 2.75 meters for pant. So total cloth he needs is, I will add 5, 7 plus 3, 10, carry 1, 2, 1, 3, 4.05. But his uncle gave him, total he needs is 4.05 meters, but his uncle gave him less. Less was how much? 0.85 meters. So now we can find out how much uncle gave him. Gave by subtracting. 5 minus 5 0, I borrow. 10 minus 8 2 and 3. So the uncle gave him 3.20 meters of cloth. So answer, uncle gave him 3.20 meters of cloth. Okay. Sum, express 18 upon 39 as a decimal fraction correct to 3 decimal places. So 18 upon 39 means I have to divide 39 by 18. Okay, so I cannot do, so I'll add a 0 and I will put a decimal point. Now in my rough work, 39 into 3, 9 3s are 27, 3 2 3s are 9, 11, 39 into 4, 9 4s are 36, 4 3s are 12 and 15. So 4s are 156, minus 10 minus 6 4, 7 minus 5 2. Now add 1 0, I need 3 decimal places, so this is only 1. So then 39 into 5, 9 5s are 45, 5 3s are 15, 9 plus 4 19. 39 into 6, 9 6s are 54, 6 3s are 18 plus 5 23. So 6s are 234. I minus 10 minus 4 6. Now what do? I add a 0 and 39 into 2, 9 2s are 18, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 70. So I will do 39 ones are 39 and I will borrow and minus 5 minus 3 2. Now again when I do 2 I can add one more 0 here. I will show you why I am doing. And 29 39, yes, 5s are 195 and I will again minus. I am getting 15. Now correct 3 decimal places. Now I got 3 decimal places, but here rounding off my number is 5. So my 3 decimal places will become 0.46. When it is 5 or bigger than 5, the number changes. So it will become 0.462. I hope you all are understanding this. We did it normally. We got 0.461, but we had to correct 3 decimal places. So we round off the number and we write it as 0.462. Sum of the lesson and last sum. Find the value of 10 upon 33 up to 1 place of decimal. So 100 upon 33. What do I do? 100 divided by 33. Now 33, we know that 33 into 3 is 99. So 13 3s are 99. Remainder 1. I add a 0. Again I put a 0. Again I add a 0. And again. Now I have to put it to only till 1 decimal place. And the number after that is less than 5. So it will remain as 3.0. In this sum, the number was changing. So we changed the number. In this sum, the number is less than 5. So we leave it as it is.